Make money online by promoting affiliate products step-by-step tutorial. Did you know that you can make money just by promoting products online? Making money online has never been this easy. You just need to sign up, get product links, upload it, and earn money through commissions. You don't need to pay anything because what I'm going to share with you is 100% free, and you can do this whenever and wherever you are. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online by promoting affiliate products. Make sure to finish this video until the end because I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial. Hi there, welcome to MakeWired. In this channel, I'll show you the best tips and tricks in the financial spaces, business, and entrepreneurship. MakeWired is created to help as many people as possible make money online from the comfort of their homes. Just sit back, relax, and learn how to make money work for you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're always updated on my latest videos. If you want to learn how to make money online just by promoting products, then this video is for you. It doesn't matter where you come from because you can do this wherever you are. Keep watching this video until the end because I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to earn money by promoting affiliate products. Successful business owners are aware that there is always more they could be doing to grow their business. Finding a different source of income is one method to boost your income. This doesn't require creating a new business. Rather, it means figuring out how to enhance and expand the one you already have by giving your clients and followers more value. Getting involved in affiliate marketing is something you should think about doing if you haven't already. You can make tons of passive income here and you don't have to pay anything. But before we get started, let's try to understand affiliate marketing first. So, what is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing means that you're going to advertise people's products and brands. But of course, you're not going to do this by posting a video or writing marketing articles. You're going to do this by linking people's products to other websites. Affiliate marketing is a type of online sales strategy in which business owners allow affiliates to get a commission by promoting their product to others. It allows affiliates to earn money from product sales without having to create their own products. To put it simply, affiliate marketing is the practice of referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platform, or website. Each time someone purchases through the unique link associated with their recommendation, the affiliate earns a commission. If you do this correctly, you can turn this easy and quick task from a side hustle to a profitable business by providing you with a steady income. So, now that you know the essence of what we are about to do, it's time to show you how it's actually done. But before we head on to the tutorial, click that like and subscribe button first so you're always updated on my latest videos. Now back to our video. Having an affiliate product to market is the first thing you need. Go to digistore24.com. Digistore24 is one website you can use to make passive income through affiliate marketing. They sell a wide variety of items. If you don't have an account here, just register right away. To create an account, it only takes a few minutes. Go to the top tab and select the Marketplace button once you've logged into your account. They will now present you with a variety of niches from which to choose. Keep to the 3 primary evergreen niches. These niches are always relevant, so it's better to choose an affiliate product from these categories. When I say evergreen niches, I mean internet marketing and e-business, dating, love and relationships, and finally, fitness and health. The product that we will use here is something related to fitness and health. Choose the fitness and health category, and once you're inside, you should really sort the results by popularity. This is a great hack that will help you to find the perfect affiliate products. When you filter the results, you'll see the goods that are currently most in demand in that particular niche and probably have tons of sales. When you click a product, you'll see the commission you can earn right here. To get a decent earning per commission, you want to keep it between $25 and a maximum of $100. Just set up this affiliate link and that's it. You don't need to follow up with the customers because they will practically just buy straight immediately. I'll use this keto meal plan as an example. You need to get the affiliate link of this product. Just click promote now and that would create that affiliate link for you. Once you've generated the link, copy and paste that to your notepad because you're going to use it again later. Next, go to the sales page. Visit that shopping page of the product so you know how it should look like when a customer opens the link. So that's the first website that we're going to use. Next, you need to generate a PDF file for that affiliate product. Go to web2pdfconvert.com. This website turns a web page into a PDF file. Remember the affiliate link you saved later? This is where you'll use it first. Copy and paste the sales page link on your PC or whatever device you're using. Download the converted file. You'll see that this PDF document is essentially just the sales page. So now we have our affiliate link and PDF document on that affiliate link. The next thing you need to do is to go to another website where you will edit that PDF document. You're going to insert an external link to the document so that when a customer clicks on it, they will be redirected straight into the sales page of the product that you're promoting. Next, go to siegeda.com. Click the PDF editor tool and that will lead you to this page right here. You're going to upload the PDF document that we just created. When you've uploaded the PDF, all you need to do is click text and start typing. Because this is a video, you have to put a short description that says, click here to watch the video. If your affiliated product has a blog or article description, you can then say, click here to learn more about this product. Basically, this will lead the customers to visit the sales page of the product you're promoting, so it's really important. Then, you're going to link an external source to the text you just put. Insert the affiliate link, which you copy-pasted on your notepad a while ago, into this text. Make sure that you put the external link because you want the customers to get access to the sales page the moment they click on that click here text. So now that you've edited your PDF, you're just going to download it again. When you open the file and click on the next, you'll see that it leads you straight into the sales page that you're promoting. So that means you've successfully finished this step. Now, we only have the last two steps to finally start making passive income through affiliate marketing. Go to Google Drive, sign into your account, and upload your affiliate PDF document. You're going to upload this again to the website that will actually show the customers about the product you're promoting. Make sure the PDF file has general access. Get the link of this file and change the access to anyone with the link so that it's always accessible anytime. Copy that link and paste it again on your notepad because this is the link that we're going to use for the final step. Keep going, guys. We're almost done. Just a few more clicks and you'll finally start earning money online through this method. This strategy works by actually showing a PDF which has more value rather than just spamming your affiliate link and trying to get people to go to the sales page. People will be more interested to visit your affiliate link, so it also increases sales. Next, we're going to another website, which is the last website you need to visit to do this method. Go to worldprofit.com. When you're on World Profit, you should just click Join Free. You only need to provide your name and email after that, and then click Start. They'll send you an email with a link to confirm your account. Once you're done, you'll be directed to this page. When you're here on this page, head to the Free Classified Ads section. Click Place Ads Free right now. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to a page where you can advertise your affiliate products to hundreds of thousands of people. Simply click Post Ad and make a brief description for your affiliate product. Add a title and write the ad's text. You might use a title that closely reflects the subject of the product. Say something brief, straightforward, and intriguing to pique interest. Adapt your description to fit your niche and the product you're trying to promote. When you're done adding descriptions, you're going to add the Google Drive link where you uploaded the PDF file earlier. Copy-paste the Google Drive link and choose 2 product categories that fit your affiliate product. Since it is a PDF, all you need to do is head up here and click Post Ad after everything is complete. As soon as you take those steps, your advertisement will really be listed here and begin to appear for clicks. Everyone has access to a lot of traffic, and with a PDF that includes your affiliate links, you can start to provide value and encourage far more people to visit the link. So there you have it. Now you can start earning money by promoting affiliate products online. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make passive income online. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Check out the websites I shared with you and share your experience with us in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends so they can also make money online. See you later!